Hello to all buyers, Louis, Stocklear Company. It's a pleasure to meet you today in Leskin for an arrival from Leroy Merlin. We have a full truck of functional customer returns consisting of 20 pallets. Let's take a look at these pallets together. So you can see the palletization and the condition of the products. As a reminder, functional customer returns are products returned by end customers to the store and that do not show no defects that would prevent the use of these products. However, you may have slight cosmetic defects that's possible, such as small scratches. For example, on this pallet, we see garden chairs, or on this one, we find tiles with partially damaged original packaging, but the tiles themselves aren't supposed to be damaged. At least at first glance, I can't see any damage. Here you have a garden shed behind in its original box, damaged original box, which often happens with customer returns since the boxes have already been opened in most cases. Here we have our pallet of tiles. Here we can find some doors. You still see doors on these pallets. You can find bulk pallets like here, for example, with lamps, trash cans. Several types of lamps, by the way, neon lights. Here on this pallet, we find outdoor garden furniture, including a box for summer toys. So there you have it. In the Leroy Merlin lots, you find everything related to indoor and outdoor furniture, as well as anything related to DIY projects. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a chat directly on the site. Also, feel free to download the Excel file to get all the references. Upon arrival, you have 7 days to verify all the products that match the functional return quality. I wish you very good bidding and see you soon.